Yo, he's right there. So stupid. Oh! Hey, Purple. What? It sounds like she's flirting with me.
Huh?
It sounds like she's
No, you're flirting with her. What are you talking about?
What'd you say? Bro, what'd you say for the second time?
No, he didn't leave.
What?
Hey, bro, I'm getting tired of you, bro.
I thought that was a death too.
Did I just miss? Okay.
Oh,
He
shit.
got the runner.
What the fuck?
We got the runner. We got the runner. Who's the runner?
Oh, well, looks like she just got tagged.
No, you're not helping me.
I guess I'm not helping now. Ito čo, video tag? Where? I remember you! You do remember me! I was up there, you remember me? I remember you!
Hit him with the backy and the backy.
You're not like the others, stepping together, start.
We're not girls, okay? Where is this kid at? Where's this kid at?
Hitbox.
See?
Alex.
Like,
I want Alex. I want Alex.
ma'am, your blood sugar is low. You need M&M. Shove that whipped cream in your mouth. Me? Oh, shit. What am
Holy
Who
shit.
remembers me? Bro, what's up?
Oh my
God,
thing.
oh my god thing. Oh my god thing. Oh my god
Same, I
thing.
remember you also.
Me?
No, that person. I remember her from yesterday.
Oh my crapping. Oh my crapping.
Oh, what the?
Yeah,
No,
It
I'm
was
not crazy.
yesterday.
I am
I
crazy.
see that. It was yesterday.
Guys, I think they're coming.
Yeah, you're not talking to me. Talk to me now.
I see a
I'm
bunny.
joking. I'm joking. He like man. Ow.
You have fun with that, bro.
I won't tag you. I won't tag my best friend.
For haha.
Right here.
Oh,
Kiss me, little boy. You wanna try to juke me again, little boy? Yeah, I will juke you again.
Actually.
about a good boy. About a good boy.
Try not to laugh. Play now. I'm not gonna laugh.
And she furry.
I'm already
she furry.
smiling.
She's
People's hitboxes are
I'm
big.
crying already, man. It's
Come
so
on.
funny.
holy shit thing.
You can tag
I'm
me
actually crying
aggressive.
right now. It's so
You
funny.
can tag me aggressive. Tag him aggressive.
He's bad
Holy
monkey.
shit, I am crying. It's too funny, man. Oh, God, stop. I have to. Okay, there's 3 rounds.
That's a bad girl.
Pretending to be teaching.
3 rounds. I can do the impossible.
Ladies,
Oh,
calm
you
down.
were crying.
Hey, get over here.
No.
Hey,
Guys.
Did you just?
Hi.
Stop it. What's up?
I'm not laughing. You're crying.
Hey, what's up, dude?
I'm gonna tag you.
What's up, dude?
Oh.
Yeah, I should join.
Your
Oh,
butt.
you're
Guys,
crying.
you might wanna watch out.
Hey, who tagged me? You motherfucker.
Sucker. My Wi-Fi is so bad.
No?
What game
Yeah,
pros?
yeah. Abawa, awawa.
Awa. Hello? Awa. Hello? Oh, my game pros.
You're Harry. Gotta hit him with the backhand, man. Better pass. Take a shower, little boy. Hi. It's Red. It's almost. Fanatic.
Come
That's
on,
how you
let's
know your
go.
spawn count.
Taco.
No.
Be back. Oh ho ho for Angstrom.
No.
You're ground camper.
What the fuck?
Hey, GG's.
Hey guys.
Yay.
GG's.
Yay.
How are you guys not
Move
getting
them.
tagged?
No,
I'm tagging them clearly.
Hey, GG's, bro.
Awa.
Oh, this guy's the lava monkey. He's the lava monkey.
Awa.
Oh, shoot.
Awa. Hey,
My
you.
apologies.
Catch me low, bro.
Oh, okay. What? Oh, keep going. My bad.
Yeah. I'm right here. I'm
I
right
have
here.
no clue.
Yeah. Yeah, my name is Joey. Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I need to be quiet, bro. I need to be quiet, bro. Sorry. Stupid losers, yeah. They are. Oh yeah, bro. But he scared me. He scared me too, bro. He scared me too, bro. He scared me too. He scared me too.
Mickey? Is that Mickey?
You scared me, bro.
Okay.
Man, oh, you scared
Mickey
Hey, you
Mouse?
scared me the most.
Friend?
You scared me the most.
Jolly.
Me?
Jolly
That's good, that's good, that's good.
I friended you.
Oh, you missed
I friended you. Oh, who tagged me?
Jesus Christ, I got stuck.
Okay, okay.
Hey, I'll follow you.
Drummy.
Can you teach me how to play? I understood. Can you teach me how to play? Can you teach me how to play?
Guys, 6, 7, 6, 7.
Yeah, 31. Oh, okay. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Bye.
So how do I play this game?
I'm behind you, bro.
I guess I'm just gonna run as fast as y'all are.
Okay, okay.
Dude, you're there.
Anyways. Who's going first? Who's going for? Who's
Right here.
first?
Can I tell you something?
You pick the dare. You pick the dare. What dare should she do?
I dare you to climb up that wall. I don't know.
No, something really good. Something really good. Wait, actually, come here, come here. Have you seen where they do on YouTube where they go up
I
to someone
dare
and they're
you.
like, "I'm breaking up with you"? Have you seen that? Go do that. Go do that. To someone random.
Big cousin. Where my big car at? Where my big car at? What? Me. Wrecking ball.
Where's she at? Where's she at? Tata mama, get look at you. I'm a grown man.
Yeah, I cannot go here. Sure. He's the one that broke up with me. That's why.
I don't want to say it. Cause I don't cuss. Hey, come here. I'll have someone else say it. Sir, come here. Sir. Sir, sir.
What? Yeah. Yeah. Nope, not this time. Whoever said I'm breaking up with you, come over here.
I turned into an unk.
You're not gonna get roasted, but I got some words for you.
Maybe the challenge will change your mind, but it's I
You're
told you
horrible when it
I
matters,
literally
bro.
said like
Suck
8
it.
different
You're
modes.
horrible when it matters.
Keep crying. Keep crying.
Wait, what do I have to cry for?
Stop crying, bro. Stop crying.
I just swear I thought so. You're garbage. You're horrible.
Bro, where's the lava
You
monkey?
guys.
Oh,
Can I tell you guys something?
what?
Can I tell you guys
I have
something?
a bow tie.
Can you guys report? Somebody
What?
told me-
I don't want to report.
No. Somebody
I'm
said
out.
something bad to me, like really, really bad. Okay. Yo, bro, can anybody report for me? No, you don't. What happened? Why did I just... Oh. Stop! Yes. Yes. Yes, stop. Bro. That's too late. That's too late. Bro, what happened? Can we? Did you say bye?
Bro.
The power
Somebody
of
told me
flame.
to do something.
Somebody told me to.
Yeah?
I made a bad
Go
one.
tell Annie to go tell
Get
Granny
better.
that
just
I'll just call Granny and tell her.
I had enough of you. My channel. You're the one that tagged me.
You're the one that ran up to me. Why are you calling me mean? Little mother.
Cause you are mean. You're mean.
Bro, shut the fuck up, motherfucker.
How about
That's always been a
you,
dumb
big
bitch with no man,
megalomania?
bitch.
Okay.
Oh, you have a boyfriend?
Yeah, we broke
from
up
Team
with
Oh, you
you.
have a boyfriend? You one by one,
You
you dumb bitch.
suck. He broke up with you. Hi. He
Don't-
broke up
Is
with
that your
you.
boyfriend?
He broke up
Is
with
that your
you.
boyfriend? No, you just broke up with me. Why the fuck you still talking to me, dumb
R.I.P.
bitch?
me granny, she
Get the
got.
fuck away from me.
Yeah, she broke up with you.
You said what?
Nigga, shut your monkey ass up.
She
Shut
broke
your
up
monkey
with
ass
you.
up.
She broke up with you. You're jealous. She broke up with you. She broke up with you.
Just get the fuck out of my face. I understand.
She broke up with you. She broke up with you.
If you broke up with me, you broke up with me. Dumb bitch. That's why you a hoe.
Stop shooting me. She's gonna burp in your face if you don't go away. Sir, guess what? Guess what, sir? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop it. Keep running, okay? Stop.
You know when we just broke up? Bro, get off of me. Okay, you said
Ooh,
that
she
like
broke
1,000
up with you.
times.
She broke
Like,
up
shut
with
up.
you. Ooh.
Okay, jeez, bro.
Oh.
I'm tired of you. Just shut up. No, I don't want to listen. I don't want to listen, dummy. I don't want to listen.
I'm grown man. I'm calling you to see what's your name, son.
What?
I have no clue. Where is he?
Watch, when you get on tag, you're gonna be
I'm
purple.
wearing a lava monkey skin. I'm wearing a lava monkey skin, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
she
not
wants to get
lying.
back together with you. She wants to get back together with you, sir. Oh,
Okay,
she
but I
left you.
You.
Oh,
Wait, what?
You.
Oh, guys,
You,
they're getting
dumb
back
hoe.
together. They're getting back.
I'm gonna lie, bro. I don't know any.
Don't tell Green.
What? Who's
Not
getting back together?
Yo, wait, what?
Everything.
Yo, you. Are you like here or something?
No. I'm talking about like there's a lot of smart people
Then-
in me. I'm really like
That's
not
what she
smart.
said to me. She said, "Can you please put that?"
And what are you
on
doing?
All right, I'm
What is
coming.
your name? Do you have a PlayStation?
I'm at
You have
the
a
room
PlayStation?
code. I'm there. Who
Then
says
stop talking to me, dummy.
Just run away.
Hey, I'm good. I'm
Run
good.
away.
I'm good.
Run
I'm
away.
good.
Man,
I'm
this is a
good.
toxic relationship.
You,
This is a
bro.
toxic
I'm good.
relationship.
Yo,
I'm
all of
good.
y'all, Can y'all try to call me? Can y'all try to call me?
Oh, my bad.
Alright, bye.
Okay,
I
come
meant to
on.
do this.
Ready on my feet.
What?
You're bad at the game. Get better.
Finish him. Hey, sir. Why are you
Yo,
running
you're
from
such
me?
a badass date.
What'd you say? Is it?
Was she pretty?
What?
Like, why were you dating a not pretty girl?
Hey.
How did you met her?
Yes, you
Eileen?
blue.
That's why. That's exactly why.
How did you met her?
Exactly why you should get tagged.
Um, it's a very beautiful laugh. I know. Sir, why do you keep coming over here to us? Do you like me, sir? Why do you keep coming over here? I have no clue where you are. Oh, you're right here. Okay. Okay. I swear, you're gonna make me so mad. Bro, stop it. I will run away right now. Roll! No, sir. Sir, no.
What the heck? Oh, damn it.
Bless you.
I can't. I don't know what I'm doing. How do you play this game? How do I play this game? I don't know how to play this game. I can report you. Yo, bro, I too young and
I can't
you
do
sound like the
it.
president. Can I get my feet done? How do you play this game?
Full.
89, you suck.
Stop, wait. Play this game? Excuse me? How do you play this
Wait,
game?
what? Oh,
How do you play this
Wait.
game?
I can't
Excuse
see.
me?
I can't branch. I can't. Why is bro laughing like that?
I look at the
I
videos on my
can't-
TikTok all the time. I think I know.
Yeah, let's go. Don't test my patience. I said don't test me. Don't test me, okay? Oh my gosh. Now I'm sitting right here. No, I don't want to sit right in front of you. Actually, I want to sit. No. Are you sure?
y'all ain't catching this, bro. Y'all ain't touching this.
Bro.
How do you play?
Why are you looking like a bull boy? Yeah.
Tagging this kid. I'm tagging this kid.
Ah, no, my goodness, you're scaring me.
Yeah, I'm definitely tagging this kid. No, bro. I swear. I don't know how to play. I swear.
What?
I swear I don't know how to play.
Dang, because you're talking.
Yeah, I swear I don't know how to play. I swear. I swear I don't know how to play. I swear.
That's a kid.
Excuse me, you kind mister. Can you teach me how to play?
Stop.
Teach me how to play.
Stop.
Kind mister is crazy. Yeah, teach me how to play.
No, I can't. I don't know how to play either. This is how I run.
Dang. No, I don't. Bro seriously knows how to play because she got. Oh!
Get over here.
Bro, what? They're going crazy. They're going crazy.
Okay.
What is this?
Don't make me run out again. Stop it!
Why do I hear ghost laughs?
What'd you say?
What the?
Sir, get away! Stop being a stalker. Don't be a stalker.
I understand you said.
Why are they laughing like
repeating
that?
that?
No.
These are bushes. Yeah, bushes. They were. I can't. I can't. Okay, breathe. Breathe.
No, you're.
What's up, bro?
Bob! I was laughing. You ruined the moment, Bob.
Bro, I'm sorry, bro.
You ruined the moment, Bob.
I'm
That
sorry,
makes me
bro.
sad. Oh, you're sorry? That's okay. Come here. Let me tag you.
Got you? Yes, go! You suck. Shut the hell up. You buns. You suck. Get the hell up. Me? Me?
Yo, what's happening?
No. I'm a man. I'm a boy though. I'm a boy. I'm not gay. You thought I was a girl? Me? Sexist for that, you stupid fucking moron. Already tagged. How do I sound like a girl to you?
Oh, he's already tagged.
I'm so bad.
No! No! Why you tag me? What?
Don't apologize. I mean, I understand if they don't know how to play. It's okay.
I'm not yellow. Yellow?
Dark cracker. I'm already tagged. Stupid. Yes, I am, bro. Leave me the fuck alone, bro.
Bro.
You're catching me. You ain't catching me.
Get right over there now. Come on. We need one that has a bunch of bushes. Over here. Right here.
Some kid said lick my nipples.
They're in the bush! They're in the bush! They're in the bush!
Stop it! Stop!
They're in the bush! They're in the bush! They're in the bush!
You nerd ass nigga, shut your bitch ass up.
Uh-uh.
They matter, bro. You're buns.
Over here! Get them! I'm already tagged! I'm already tagged!
No, you not.
We're nigga.
Nigger!
Mais t'es trop. Oh shoot!
Oh my
Where are
god, look at these streets.
Moi j'ai plein de taggers après moi.
I'll tag him.
Little ass boy.
Yo, you tag me.
No, let my friend tag me.
GG's, bro.
Come here.
Yeah.
Hey, don't touch me. I don't like that.
I wasn't. You're bad.
Yes, you were.
Why would you say that?
Yo, bro.
Okay, I'm right here.
Okay.
Hold on, let me talk to this guy. Shut your freaking mouth. Don't tell him where our spot is, okay? Uh-oh. I'm out of the bushes. Stop it. Stop. I swear.
Poo.
Wait, hold on. My sister's talking to me. Dye my hair? No. I don't want to dye my hair, Corey. Color like pink? No, let me tag her. Stop it. I want to tag her. Stop. Let me tag you. Come here. Where'd you go? The bushes.
I'm actually good at tagging. Hold up. I like this tag.
Okay. Wait, I gotta go. My headset's about to die. But I'll be on in like 2 hours when it's charged. Or like what? Or 1 hour. 1 hour and a half maybe.
Uber Eats. Uber Eats.
Okay.
Uber Eats. Uber Eats. Uber
1 hour and a
Eats.
half.
Yeah, we don't go.
Okay,
You're
bye
gonna
bye.
touch someone? Bro, what the flip? Why do people always say the
Uber
weirdest
Eats.
things?
3 Uber Eats. 4 Uber Eats. 5 Uber Eats. 6 Uber Eats. What the? What the? What? What the?
Nebraska
what?
all around, dude.
What
you always
the?
gonna
There's a little anchor brick. Why am I actually good at tracking for once? 15 Uber Eats. 15 Uber